Hello, Fitness 7 students. This is Coach Ferry, and I'm here to give you the plan for the day for April 21st. So at 11 o'clock, you're going to make sure that you're signed in and that you know the plan for the day, or maybe it's 11 o'clock now and you're watching this video. That's okay too. You're first going to do this 1-minute breathing exercise with one of our swim coaches, Coach Wilma. So you can go ahead and just click on the video. It's a YouTube video. You're going to follow along with her. And this is a great mindful exercise that you can go ahead and check off of your weekly planner once you complete it. So take 1 minute and do this breathing exercise with Coach Wilma first. Then your second task of class is to update, or maybe you need to still create your weekly schedule for this week, April 20th to April 24th. So if you're still using your green or purple day schedule, just make sure that's up to date and reflects all the meetings that you have and any activities that you're going to be doing. If you're doing the weekly schedule like I am, you're going to want to go ahead and print out your weekly schedule starting on green day, and there's a template for that in our shared doc. And go ahead and fill in your classes, your class meetings, advisory periods, club meetings, and then go ahead and start updating it to reflect your wellness goals. So that means using colored pencils to color code and circle the activities that you're doing, so you have a really clear visual on the goals that you've met so far this week and the goals that you plan to meet. So you're going to take 10 minutes to make sure that this schedule is completed and updated. I went ahead and included a timer here. So if you want to make sure you're staying on track, you can click play on the timer and make sure that you're spending 10 minutes on this task. Once those 10 minutes is done, or once your schedule is complete, you're going to move on to task number 3. Task number 3 is to continue working with your learning a new skill challenge. So for 15 minutes, and you'll see I included another timer here, so go ahead and click play on that timer, and you have at least 15 minutes, or a maximum of 15 minutes, to make sure you've researched a video or a resource that is going to help you learn your skill. So to remind you, I'm going to work on juggling. So I went ahead and I found a video that's going to teach me how to juggle. Remember, my goal was to juggle 3 balls for 1 minute without messing up, and this video is tailored to fit that. So I'm going to find that video, and then I'm going to make sure I write down what my skill is. So I'm going to write it down on my weekly wellness plan. That way I don't forget it, that I'm trying to juggle 3 balls for 1 minute without messing up. Then I'm going to spend the remainder of time doing stuff. So maybe watching that video is going to take me the whole 10 minutes. That's fine. Maybe the video or the research that I'm doing only takes me a few minutes, and I can spend the rest of this time frame for task 3 practicing the skill. Maybe you already know how to do your skill, and you just want to spend this time practicing it. We're all going to be in a little bit different places because some of us are learning brand new skills that we've never done before, and some of us are revisiting skills that we might sort of know how to do. So the point is that this 15-minute block is spent doing stuff, researching, making sure that your task and skill is specific. Get down to practicing, and then as you near the end of the 15 minutes and you're about to clean up your activity or come back inside, make sure that you're leaving your equipment and resources in an accessible place. For example, I'm going to make sure I bookmark that video on how to juggle because I'm probably going to need to revisit it again. And then I'm going to leave my 3 little sock balls that I'm learning to juggle. I'm going to leave those out in a place that's not going to disturb the other members of my house, but in a place where I'm going to be able to see them and be excited and motivated to continue practicing. So you've got quite a bit of things to do in task 3, but you've got 15 minutes to do it. And you're just going to do as much as you can in terms of learning your new skill in that 15 minutes. Lastly, you're going to log into Zoom. We are going to be working out as a group together today. So I want to make sure that you're logging in. You should be dressed and ready to exercise. So if you're not, make sure that you're ready to go. We're going to be doing a 20 to 30 minute workout together in Zoom. 11:30. So at 11:30, make sure that you are in Zoom ready to exercise. Okay? I'm excited to see you soon.